First, pictures of Dr. Shaheen accessed. This is the woman doctor with the Jaish-e-Mohammed link. According to reports, it was Masood Azhar's sister who tasked her with the responsibility of leading the women's wing of Jaish-e-Mohammed and also radicalizing and recruiting people using social media. On your screens is the image of Dr. Shaheen, who has been arrested. Remember, AK-47 was also found in her possession. We'll go back to Bhavtosh, who continues to be with us. Bhavtosh, throw more light on the role Dr. Shaheen played. We've accessed her image. First, pictures of Shaheen on screen.
Well, this is the picture of Dr. Shaheen. She is a doctor and also, in fact, a woman who was in very close touch with Dr. Muzammil. She was formally arrested at around 2 p.m. yesterday by J&K police, presently being questioned by them in Srinagar. Now, from her car, security agencies recovered an AK-47 assault rifle. They have also said that her car was used to ferry explosives. Now, what is very interesting or very important is the fact that she is part of this highly radicalized terror module, which owe allegiance to Jaish-e-Mohammed. We had seen that this group is also a Fedayeen group in which one of the accused, Dr. Omar, is said to have exploded himself or blew himself when he came here at the gate number 1 of Red Fort metro station. He was the one who is suspected to be a Fedayeen attack. So this is the level of radicalization. Swati, we are talking here that one of the accused blew himself, whether he was out of panic, he blew himself or purposely blew himself. 2,900 kgs of explosives have been recovered. So what we are looking here is a terror module where every individual was highly radicalized. An AK-47 assault rifle has been recovered. She, in fact, was a doctor from Lucknow. They all met through various social media applications, and then the radicalization happened. Dr. Adil was arrested because he was, in fact, posting posters. These posters, in fact, were threatening some individuals in Srinagar and also eulogizing the proscribed terror group.
Bhavtosh, stay on with us. I want to go across to Priyank very quickly. Priyank, except a few cases, largely the narrative was that individuals who are gullible are radicalized and brainwashed. But look at this module. Educated people, doctors, skilled people who know how to use technology, being, recruited, being radicalized and used as resources.
Because she was given the task by the Lashkar-e-Taiba and the Jaish-e-Mohammed, to be very precise, to make a women brigade, Momin, which is for women only. And Hafiz Saeed's sister, Shaida, was the one who was leading this particular brigade where it was formed in Pakistan. The fact of the matter is that they were trying to build up their resources with respect to women radical group so that the terror attack could be in such a manner that it will be difficult for the security apparatus to track these individuals, and they can disguise easily by hiding in any of the houses. This was a task given to her, but much before that she was actually arrested. We know it for the fact that the major mistake which was done by Adil was to be spotted in the CCTV footage. Later to that, his arrest happened. Then it came the role of Muzammil, and Muzammil later disclosed that he was driving the vehicle of Shaheen Shaida, who was also a doctor and who was given a task by the ISI to build up a radical group of women who can be used for further terror operation on the behest of the Pakistani ISI. So she was playing a major role, but what we can certainly tell you to our viewers, that every bit of individual who were there in contact with these individuals will be scanned. Their role will be